Alright, welcome back to another video. So I've got another Ford Explorer video today, but this kind of applies to a bunch of different models of late model Ford vehicles. So the problem that I'm addressing today is with the heater or AC and the speed of the blower. So these newer Fords, they do still use a type of blower motor resistor to control fan speed. I'll show you the problem that I'm having. Okay, so if I turn on, just say the heater here, and I put it on low speed, what I have noticed is that the lower levels, I mean, it makes slight changes, but not really enough until I get up in here. So when I'm on high, I get a good amount of air movement. And that's kind of like medium, just putting it 1 down, 2 down. It's kind of like low, but everything below that, there's barely any air movement. So I'm going to fix that. Part that I'll be using, there'll be a link in the description below, but here is the part number. This is a Motorcraft part. You can see this is our blower motor resistor. Alright, so depending on the year of your Explorer, it's going to kind of determine the pain in the butt level of this. It's not bad though. So what you'll need is a 7mm socket. Make it a little quicker if you put it on a little impact gun, but basically if you have a newer Explorer like mine, it has this like ankle area airbag right here. That shouldn't be in the way, but there's this secondary plastic cover that's covering everything we need to get to. So if you look, it kind of comes over here. There's a 7mm bolt over here, and there's a couple down this side. If we remove those, we should be able to just drop this plastic panel out of the way. All right, let's see here. You can see we're just taking the 2 front screws out. We're already pretty loose here. This back one, I might need the actual ratchet. I don't think the drill's gonna fit in there. This one I had to put a little extension, a ratchet, kind of like up in there. There's always one that has to be a pain. I'm sure this will be really fun to put back in. Alright, you can see, so now this is just able to kind of drop out of the way here. Now we have a little bit clearer shot. So this right here is the actual connector for it. Just push up on that and pull it out like that. So these are 7 or 8mm bolts here. Switch it up again here to a ratcheting socket. Not a ton of room to work in here. Alright, so it comes out like that. Basically I have to be a contortionist, like usual, to get in here. Alright, so just to note, I do have rear air on this vehicle. I don't know if that actually matters for this part though. I think this is just for the front. And I do have manual climate control, so you want to double check that the part is correct for your year. Alright, once you get it screwed back in, we'll go ahead and reconnect it. Okay. And now before I put the plastic shield back on, I'm going to try it out and make sure that we actually fix the problem. I can already feel a lot more air just on the lower settings. High, not really making a difference, which it wouldn't. Alright, so my blower motor resistor was just, it was not failed. In your case, you may have no speeds on low and it only works on high. That's a sign of like a completely failed blower motor resistor. In my case, it was still working. It just, I think the resistance levels were off. Alright, so just a quick video showing you how to change the blower motor resistor on your late model Ford Explorer in this case. Again, I'll have a link to the part in the description. Double check that it fits your year, make, model. Be sure to like the video if it helped you out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Till next time, we'll see you later, and thanks for watching.